We're back at it. I'm a fucking crack at it.
Some new lights, because over here under the loft, there wasn't any lighting, so... One more?
Yeah, put one right here.
We also bought some other stuff that we're excited about. Check it out. Beer. Well, actually seltzer, but this is fire. We also got these. These are gonna come in big time handy. If we wanna move a car around, we can just put it on these dollies. We're probably gonna do it in this video, so we'll show you how it works. Obviously, it's pretty simple.
They're
but
super cool. This fucking car's in the way.
we can put it right here, or just like do whatever we want with it. So we don't have to do like a crazy 16 million point turn in the garage.
I might blast on one of those in a minute. Yeah, we get these cool shop lights. They're just LEDs, so we'll never have to replace the bulbs, which is cool. They're only 20 bucks. We haven't even tested them out yet, so I'll plug one in right now and see how bright it is.
Right on. Oh shit. Damn. Let's get another one of those.
God damn, dude. This is nice.
That looks about right. Ooh. Holy bitchin'.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Rides up our table back here for our beer. Yeah? Steve came to visit us. Come here, Stevie. Come here, Steve. Got him. What can we check off the list? Is there anything we got on there that we can check off? Shop light? Yeah. Alright, not looking bad. Can we do a kickflip? Give him a spin, Spliff.
Just stand there, I'll spit. This is the last one, I think.
Yep. All right, Cat's hard at work over here, squirting away. So we got the dollies all assembled, tight as fuck, and we're about to try them out. This could be dangerous. What if we just roll it straight into a wall and bring the whole shop down?
So we're not doing this for no reason. We actually have to move the FC so we can get the Corolla in here, so Cat can put her wheels on.
A little more. Keep it going.
Keep it going.
Keep going.
Keep it going.
A little more.
Ooh, I'm excited to see this.
Yeah, let's fucking make it do a 360.
Try to get it in this corner.
Yeah, yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna get run over by a car that's not even on. Wow, this is sick. Heave, ho. This is the More Skids alignment rack.
Alright, my 240's next.
DJ, you got popcorn in your video.
I got what? Honestly, I think getting towards that wall is more important than getting that way.
Yeah.
Back wall.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Boom.
That's so sick.
Roll. Look at all this. Look at all this activity room. That'd be pretty cool.
This is also a new addition to the shop. So this is the inaugural crush. That was fucking crazy. Yep. Crushed.
Wait, we should save these. They're like, what, 25 cents a pound?
Yeah, it was 25 cents a pound. Yeah. I bet you.
At the end of the year, we might be able to.
Yeah, we get our deposit back.
I have enough money to drive the Eagle Claw.
These are coming along really nice, guy.
That one's...
Yeah, that one's fucked, but this one's really nice.
So we're taking these wheels off, putting those wheels on. These ones, like we said in the last video, are pretty done. These are good, but they're DJ's drift spares. But we got these Steelies with brand new tires on them, so that'll be good for the winter.
And they're cleaning up nice.
Might be able to get some wheels from Parker from his coupe.
Show them. Get those wheels back from Eagle Claw. Those are gonna go on Cat's Corolla.
Those little guys right there.
Shout out to my homie Jeff in Hawaii.
Put this bad boy up and then get these wheels on. And then I'm gonna start tearing shit off the Corolla.
You do great, son. Oh no. We didn't like that noise. At all.
It's fine.
It's alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
Just going from this, dude. This shit's already fucked up anyway.
Pinch
Yeah, I'm gonna just go right here. Wow.
That was such a tongue dropping noise.
He's like,
You just see the jack pop through the floor.
it's fine. The car's fine.
It's okay.
Your car's fine. If you think about it, really,
fine.
your car's fine, I think.
Waiting for the door to pop up.
I know. Here, hurry, take the wheels off. I like these tires. They're Ling Wong Gross Wind.
Crosswind.
It's crosswind, but it looks like gross wind.
Gross wind.
Yeah,
Ling Long? That's
Ling
funny.
Long Gross Wind.
Leave those on. Dude, they're probably different wheels.
They are. Look at the
The
patterns are different, yeah. See how that one's like circle and that one's like square?
That's way tinier than these ones.
You try to turn it off and on?
One of these sets of wheels is different than the other set.
Yeah, because look at the bolt not lining up.
One's 4x100, one's 4x1143. So we just mounted tires on wheels that don't fit. All that shit happened over there. We can't use those
Stockies.
the stock wheels. We can use 2 of them, but it's like fuck. So Corolla's gonna be in here for a while. This Corolla is.
So put it on jack
So we're
stands.
gonna put it up on jack stands and put
grab
these long
these.
champs on Cat's Corolla.
These will look sick on the Rolla.
This begins the
Transformation.
tear down of the Corolla. I know it's been not finished for 3 years, but
It'll be a little bit.
this is for the best.
That'll be up there for a bit.
This is held on by 2 zip ties.
This is it?
Yeah.
That's. Oh, we'll get the bash bar though. Fiberglass smells great. Told you.
I had 0 faith.
Yeah.
Damn, that's.
Same exact length.
Yeah, for real.
Probably.
The fuck? It's like 40 rubber bands.
That's
a bungee cord. Oh, from New York?
Maybe.
Look at this.
That all brake dust?
No,
Oh
that's
my
fucking
God.
axle
Axle
sludge.
grease.
That's a chew. Here, give me one.
Speaking of my Jew.
$100, Parker. Oh!
You just made a Hundy Bundies, Parker.
I did. DJ, pay up, slut. Holy money.
Well, yeah, when this goes down, it's gonna be nuts, dude. This is gonna be so cool. Kat, you're gonna have the coolest car in town.
Yeah, you got the coolest car in town. This would be hot and horny.
That's gonna rub.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's rub central.
That's hub central.
That ain't really gonna work out.
Roll it.
I don't know if I want to roll fenders
Roll it, pull it
on
to the
Kat's
feet.
car just to fit these wheels temporarily.
And let's put Skids into her. I rolled my fenders on my 240 with a 10 mil. And just a.
That looks so good.
Just roll the fenders a small kind.
Small kind.
It looks like a drag car.
Kinda. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rake, mad poke,
Fat tire in the rear.
fat tire. In
Yeah,
there.
those are some honkers.
Yeah.
So that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Son of a
We'll
mill.
have
We'll
to-
just, let's put the SE wheels back on the rear,
Yeah.
or even just the stock boys that
Yeah,
do
you can use
fit.
one long champ and one stock boy.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't work, Kat.
Works good.
All right, well, the Corolla's on the ground. We got long champs in the rear. Lower offset long champs weren't able to fit in the rear. So we put the smaller offsets in the rear and the stock Steelies in the front. Oh my God. And there it is. What do you think, Kat?
It's chill.
Yeah,
It'll
chill,
be good.
chill for now. This size and spec is super perfect for this car. Maybe a little spacer.
It could use a little more, but
And struts, maybe.
yeah. So the struts are totally blown. So like you look at this car and it flexes and tilts. As soon as you sit in this car, the whole rear end just like, and then you go around a corner and it's just dragging on its ass. If you go around a corner at more than like 20 miles an hour, the body sits on the axle. So you really would run into clearance issues here unless we converted to coilover or something. I have no idea.
Or maybe just didn't get blown struts.
Or that.
New struts.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna pull the Corolla out of here, and we're thinking about trying to see if we can fit the RX-7 right here. And that'll just open up a lot of room.
Okay, just kidding. We just put it here.
It's nice and tucked away. These things are fucking dope, dude.
Yeah, they're really cool.
We need another set probably.
But it's looking good. The shop is sick. All
Yeah.
we need in here is heat and like
Hammock?
hammock,
I have a hammock.
N64, punching bag, dartboard, you know, the list goes on. But that's about all we need, you know? We should have lit up my map gas torch over there and just stood around it.
Hit me right in the fucking nose. Give me a little shit.
Fucking dilate you.
Alright, let's blow this joint. I gotta go to bed.
But yeah, so that's about it. First real day working in the shop, so again,
some cars, lock them.
yeah.
some windows.
Big projects started underway. So again, as always, thanks so much to the Patreon peoples, the donators, the contributors, the people who buy our merch, the people who watch our videos, the people who consider subscribing, but you know, also the people who subscribe. Here's a list of Patreon names. We love you.
Man, ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, 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 ooh, way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah blah blah, pussy, money, money, weed. Yada yada yada, got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Money nose kid with the Sudafed flow. Talk a lot of shit, but it's all love though. Luca X kicked the beat, yeah, he set that shit to Wumbo. First grade SpongeBob, now we going Dumbo. Blah blah blah, pussy, money, money, weed. Yada yada yada, got